Welcome to the day stream. Welcome to the day stream. Today is just one. Oh, Jesus Christ. I made quite a lot of loss today, and it was actually my fault. I made a lot of losses today, and it was my fault. It is actually my fault. I had a trading rule that if I exceed a particular amount in losses, that I wouldn't keep entering the market. But for a reason that I can't explain, a reason that I can't just put into words, I've been consistently going back into the market, and market have been smashing me. I made a loss today, and it's my fault. Majority of the losses that I made today is on EU, Euro USD. I made a lot of losses today. And in order to put my trading psychology back on track, I need to ensure that I don't enter the market again. The thing was that yesterday I was trying to make up for the losses that I made yesterday. And because I was trying to do that, I eventually added to the list of the losses that I made today. I'm very, very sad right now. I'm very, very sad right now because the loss that I made are completely avoidable. It's something that I could have avoided. I'm very, very pissed at myself. But like on the brighter side, it's a work in progress for me. I'm still learning. I will get good. I'll get good along the way. I actually believe so. I believe I'm going to get good along the way. The mistake that I made today is a very, very bad mistake. Seriously. I was trying to recover what I lost yesterday, and at the end of the day, I ended up making ×2 of the losses that I made yesterday. Yeah. So today is actually a disappointing day for me. A very, very disappointing trading day. And I have to ensure that I don't trade anymore today so that I won't breach my account. I have to ensure that I don't trade today so that I won't breach my account. So the only time that I can enter a trade is going to be tomorrow. I'm so sad right now. I'm pissed. I am seriously pissed at myself. I'm actually pissed because those losses were completely avoidable. And I took those trades. In fact, I've just been screaming at the screen. I've been screaming at the screen today because it's a very, very bad loss. Very, very bad loss. If I decide to backtest those entries, they've been bad. And the funniest part is that I was actually working on not always jumping into the market when price is moving. I was working on just entering the market at the entry level and move consistently with it, but I made a mistake today. And it ended up with a loss. For me. I'm pissed, like seriously. I'm actually pissed because the losses I made today were completely avoidable. But I took those trades anyways because I was trying to make the money back. I guess I've learned my lesson today. So when I was trading today, I wrote down a couple of things. Here. I wrote down a couple of things here that I kind of observed because I went through my trade history. Today. I saw those little losses. as annoying as it can be, I made a lot of losses today and I'm pissed about it. So, I'm going to read what I jotted down concerning my trade, the trade I took today. The first thing I jotted down was that it said, once there's an imbalance in the market and price has finished running in one direction, open another in the opposite direction as soon as a liquidity has been taken, either buy-side liquidity or sell-side liquidity. And the second one I actually wrote was spread. The spread on opening multiple positions eats into the profit. 1 or 2 positions is enough. So today I think I opened about 7 positions on one pair. It's a very, very bad move. It's a very, very bad move. That move was bad. I opened about 7 positions on one pair. Because looking at this thing right here, I know that this pair is actually bullish. It swept. I know that this pair is bullish. I looking at this, I knew it was bullish. It swept this low right here, and the fact that this place is still holding. The fact that this place is still holding shows that most of the order that is entering into the market, most of the orders entering into the market is a buy order, because this is still bullish. This is still bullish. I'm sad. I'm really sad, and I am very, very disappointed in myself. I am really disappointed in myself for making those losses. I should have just stayed out of the market once those losses happened. I should have just stayed out. I should have just stayed out of the market. It ought. I'm out, seriously out like this. The losses I made were completely avoidable. All the losses. I've just been staring at the screen today, pissed, seriously pissed at myself, screaming and shouting. And the losses I made today was stupid. Very, very stupid loss. Very, very stupid loss on one pair. Really, really stupid loss on one pair. And the funniest part is that most of the losses that I made is just between 10 pips. Like the reversal on movements coming and going of just 10 pips. And I made a very, very huge loss today. Seriously huge loss. I won't be trading today till tomorrow. And in order for me not to trade, I won't be analyzing the market in detail today as well, till tomorrow. Because if I see entry, I want to take it, and I don't want to breach my account. So I will just wait till tomorrow to do the market analysis. I'm going to wait till tomorrow to when it exceeds, I'll wait till tomorrow to when 24 hours, it exceeds 24 hours before I analyze the market. Because if I carry out an analysis now, I will want to take trades. I'm out. The trades I took today were stupid. Very, very stupid trades. Very, very stupid trades. All the losses that I made today were completely avoidable. Everything was avoidable. I'm so pissed, seriously. Just because I was trying to pursue the losses I made yesterday, I was trying to at least break even today. I just threw everything away. I threw more away. I'm sad. I'm very, very sad. And I am really, really disappointed in myself. Very, very disappointed. So I've learned my lesson. And the third point that I jotted down today was that I should stop forcing trades. Said if the setup is not fully formed, that I shouldn't take a trade. Once the setup isn't fully formed, if I didn't see my full setup on the chart, I shouldn't take any trade. I feel very stupid. The losses I made today were avoidable. Very, very avoidable. I have to publish this video today, just as a note to myself, to use my brain. when I'm looking at the chart, I'm pissed at myself. All the losses I incurred today were completely avoidable. And it's a lot. I can't even say it. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. I'm sad and I'm pissed at myself. I am very, very pissed at myself. I'm very pissed at myself. Those trades were very, very avoidable, and I took them. I'm sad. I am really, really sad. I'm sad, I'm pissed, I'm everything. I am a combination of everything right now. The losses I made were completely avoidable. I've been looking at the charts, vocally analyzing the charts, expecting a run. I've been expecting a run, price run, since the beginning of the day. I'm really, really pissed. I'm pissed. I am pissed at myself. I'm very, very pissed at myself. I'm pissed. I am pissed, man. I'm very, very pissed. The losses I made today were completely avoidable. Completely avoidable. That's one of the downsides of trading alone. You know, you take the wins, you take the losses on your own. There's nobody to basically vent to. Oh my God, I am really, really pissed. I'm pissed at myself. I'm pissed. The trades I took today were not it, and the losses that I made today, they were all avoidable. There were losses that I could have avoided. And I'm angry that I took those trades. I'm really pissed at myself. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.